Foreground and background color. Foreground means the color that is in front. In paint, the foreground color is used with pencil, line, brushes and shapes tools. To select the foreground color, click on Color 1. Background means the color that is in back or behind. In paint, the background color is used with eraser and to fill shapes. To select the background color, follow these steps. Click on Color 2. Let's take a look at an example about how to use Color 1 and Color 2. Step 1. Click on the rectangle shape from the Shape group. Step 2. Click on the type of fill you want. For example, solid color.
Step 3. Choose colors for Color 1 and Color 2.
Step 4. Now, bring the mouse in the drawing area and draw the shape. Step 5. Similarly, draw a circle inside the rectangle and choose a different color for it. Note that the color 2 is green. If you select the eraser tool, it will now erase with green color.